fifth. The minor fall and the major lift. The baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw him bathing on the roof. Her beauty in the moonlight overthrew you, and she tied you to her kitchen chair. She broke your throne and she cut your hair, and from the lips she drew the hallelujah. Baby, I've been here before. I've seen this room and I've walked this floor. I used to live alone before I knew you, and I seen your flag on that marble arch. Your love is not a victory march, it's a chord, it's a broken hallelujah. Was a time when you